but we still have a lot of deferred maintenance. That sounds like a lot. Wow, they're making so much money. We're not. This actually makes zero money because the reason being is that it has high rents and a high cap rate, but it also has a ton, and I mean a ton of deferred maintenance. So that's one thing when you're looking to buy is, definitely do inspections and don't fuck around. If something's fucked up, it's fucked up. Like we knew we had bad windows. These are very expensive to fix. Each window is about $1,000. We have somewhere around 50 windows per building. There's 5 buildings. So you're talking about $250,000 of windows. Not that we're going to spend that much. We're not. A lot of windows we can fix ourselves, just a little bit of like leverage and acetone and just chipping away at them. We've fixed a bunch of windows already. Like in one building out of the 50 windows, we fixed about 40. Hopefully we'll fix five or so more, and then the other 5 we'll replace. So we'll spend 5,000, not 50,000. But it's expensive. We're still going to end up spending $25,000 on windows, plus another 10,000 in maintenance to get the windows up. So like that's a major expense. So go in knowing that. Don't take this stuff lightly. If you see deferred maintenance, it's going to cost you money.